After 4 full days of workshops, we are closing the first Female Founders edition of the Fundraising Readiness Program. It was a nice experience to see all these women come together, exchange their ideas, help each other out, and to get them fundraising ready. Hi Vivian, why are you here today?
Hi Matilda, I'm an innovation manager with TechCourtier and I'm leading the Fundraising Readiness Program. My highlight was to see the startup pitches today live on stage and also seeing how they improved from yesterday's startup pitch training to today on the stage.
Bianca, as a pitch coach, what would you say is the most important tip for female founders when it comes to pitching?
I have 2 tips. Don't be nice, be very precise, and lead with a thing they don't expect from you.
Why do you think the Female Founders Edition was a good idea?
First, because it's so nice to work with women, and fundraising is such a difficult but important topic. So at TechCourtier, we wanted to put together all the tools necessary to help startups, female founders, and show them that there's a strong network behind them to help them.